What's good, everybody? It's Z from The Mask, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make use of OTE or optimal trade entry concepts in order to catch trades like this one here that you could have caught yesterday. Now, to start off, what is OTE? OTE stands for, like I said, optimal trade entry. It is a concept that tries to basically perfect the entries using the Fibonacci tool. And the way it works is that you take your Fibonacci retracement tool, which you can find right here, and you apply it from either the top or bottom, depending on the direction you're going, of a move, of a swift move. So you want a really quick, strong move like this, to the top and bottom of that move. So in this case, since we're in a downtrend, we want to start at the top and go down to the bottom here. Now, you can first put it here if you're in the live market, but you see here the market turned around and created a lower low before eventually going up. In order to configure your Fibonacci retracement tool for OTE trading, these are the settings you should copy. This right here, minus 0.27 and minus 0.618 is optional. They are targets, potential take profit levels. If you want to target just basic market structure or have firm risk to reward ratios, these two here are unnecessary. All of the other ones you can cover and copy just as I have them here. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Now, obviously, the colors are up to you. They're pretty irrelevant. And this here, this blue line is what you're looking for. This is your actual optimal trade entry level. Now, the golden 0.786 and 0.618, in between this area is where you're looking for the trades. If you get a signal anywhere here, such as a market reversal like here, you have a nice trade setup. Now, usually for the simplest way to trade OTE, you take this from these big moves and just set an order right here. Set a stop loss above it, or maybe even the swing high or swing low, depending on, again, the direction as well as your confidence in trading. Set your order, targets, and then you just let the trade run from there. Now, I have a few more examples in this instance. Another nice one being right here. You saw how here we're in a downtrend, right? So this one here would not have been a great entry. You see here, this is a pretty aggressive move upwards. So based on what I said before, you might think that this may be a good place to place an OTE trade. But it isn't, because here we are technically still in a downtrend. Reason being that we have not really broken structure, which we do right here. Until here, we still have, this is a lower high compared to this previous one here. And here, now we have a higher low. We did not break this lower low here, which means we could now potentially see a reversal in the market. And we kind of do. Right here, since we just broke the highs here, we're now technically in a bullish market, which means these moves here can be used as OTE. So in this instance here, we go from the bottom to the top, extend it over, and you can see we have another really nice potential entry right here. If I were to place a position, well, like right here, put the stop loss below, I usually have at least a 25-point stop loss, so let's do that. And then we target the highs here. Then we just wait for that to play out, and we have another really, really nice trade. Now, up here, I made an example of when you can actually enter using OTE after basically this right here, a market structure shift, where you go from a bearish market to a bullish market. Because you basically need one of the lows or highs, again, depending on the direction you're going, to be broken for you to then come back into it. This big move right here, you know, the one that tends to break these highs right here, is what you're looking for. Because this means that you've now gone from a overall bearish market to an overall bullish market. So here, you can now wait for the market to come back into that OTE zone. Now, in most cases, the best setups are going to be where you have something similar to this here, where we actually have a fair value gap mixed in with our OTE zone. So you see here, we have a fair value gap, and the OTE actually happens to go into that fair value gap. This is going to be a really nice high quality setup. Another nice quality setup which was here, is we have both a fair value gap here as well as an order block before the massive move to the downside. That means it's very likely price comes back up to here, and once it's there, we'll bounce off of it quite aggressively. Now, this works on pretty much any time frame because, as you might know already, the market is fractal. It moves the exact same way on 1 minute time frames that it does on 4 hours, dailies, 1 hours, 30 minutes. It moves the same on all of them. But yeah, what you're basically looking for is this shift right here, where you have a low right here, right? Now the market breaks it, technically breaking the market structure. We now have a lower high here, and this lower high can be your OTE entry. These big shifts right here, these big strong moves, and you don't want something like this, right? This is not really all that good for OTE. This is a very stable uptrend, obviously. It's a really nice, just simple uptrend. But what you're looking for is these expansive moves, these big moves that happen within a few candles and have very little opposition from other candles. So you see here in this instance, this is what, like 16 candles, and only 5 of them are bullish. That's a really steep downtrend. So in something like this, provided it's in the right context, it's in this leg right here, you can find a really nice OTE entry. Here, again, you have a really steep up move where you have 4 candles and only one of them is bearish, and it's barely bearish. So that could be a really good point for entry. Here as well, we have a very aggressive move to the downside. We have 22 candles and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are bullish. Only a third of them is bullish. So you want these really aggressive moves. This right here, like I said, while a really nice uptrend, a really nice clean trend, it's too balanced. You want that imbalance, because the imbalance in the market where you have one side really taking over is exactly what gives you this kind of power right here. Because once the other side kind of pushes back, kind of fights back, and the really dominant side still wants to go the other direction, what's going to end up happening is when the weaker side starts to push back, they just get absolutely beaten up. They just get blasted when they try to come back up here, and the trade continues, and it can go very easily in your favor. You don't want this like sideways market. You want these really aggressive, really fast moves, so you can then take your, again, Fibonacci retracement from the very bottom to the very top, like that, or again, like here, from the very top to the very bottom if you're going bearish. And then you just wait for the 0.705 level. Now again, these are the settings for it. Again, the 2 golden zones here are your most important. You're looking for trades in this area, and the 0.705 is actually where you would put your order if you want to trade just with orders. And I would suggest that you put the text center middle and the levels as values, so it'll look similar to what I have here, just in case you get confused otherwise. But that's pretty much it. Like, OTE is actually a very simple concept to add to your trading. I would suggest that you don't make this like your main thing. Like just this, you can technically make that work, but I would suggest that you actually combine this with other concepts. Again, like I said, the fair value gaps or the order blocks. The more things you can add to your system, the more confluences you can gather for the market to go in one direction, like here, the better your setups are going to be. Again, yesterday was an incredible day for this if you know what to look out for in the markets. Because if you know to ignore this setup here, take this setup here, take this setup here, you would have caught like what, an easy 8R in one day? That's insane. If you're on a prop firm, that's your entire account passed in a single day just based on this concept because one day happened to go your favor. That's all you need, right? If you combine this with a lot of other knowledge, if you just keep increasing the amount of confluences the market is giving you, the higher quality the setup is going to be, the more chance you have of it working out, which means you have a much higher chance of making money. That's what we're all here for. And in that, that's about all I have for you today. I hope you can use this to improve your trading quite a bit, and I'll see you in the next one.